That is the golden tree snake hiding in this bush. I was looking for this snake for a long time now. It's the most mythical snake we have here. A real master in hiding. You might know this species is also called a flying snake. They live in the trees and then sometimes they jump down from the trees, and they can even make some distance because they can change their body like a wing of a plane. So now she moved a little bit further inside. Let's try to get her. So very difficult to find and see. Ah, here she is. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah, they are just a little bit venomous, and they like to play, biting very quickly. If they bite you, it's no problem, nothing will happen. One of them already got me once. You see her? She's very curious, just sitting inside there. She knows that nothing can happen to her. This snake is very quick. Here you can see the body. She's just laying on top here. It's a very beautiful snake. We already had one which was almost 1.5 meters long. That would be kind of the adult size. Thick like your thumb. See, if she does not have a reason to attack, she will just stay there. But as you can see, how would you see this kind of creature in a tree? It's impossible. I had them sometime landing next to me, maybe like 1-2 meters away from me. I just heard a plop, then I saw the snake moving and going up the tree again. It's quite funny. Let's get some shots from the back. And here she goes. But still here. As you see, does not see a reason to run away, really. So, and here she is. I caught her with my tool. This one is probably 1 meter long, so it's fairly a young one. And you see she will go into the attack position, but we are not going to do anything to her. Just release her immediately. But you can see the painting. Golden tree snake. This is the most common species we have here on the land, but you will not find her easy. It's very hard to spot. As I said, just mildly venomous, and if you not go and try to catch her, you will not get attacked anyway. Released her and she went up straight into the bush again. So let's leave her alone. So thank you for watching. This is the golden tree snake, very common species here in Thailand. And please comment, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.